In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the color of your drawings or of your shapes in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so I have here a line that I've drawn and I changed it from black to red. I'll also go ahead and show you how I made this, and we shall also change its color. So first I'll go ahead and insert a shape, and for this I'll just go to insert here and then choose shapes. And under shapes, I'll choose this rectangle. Now, if I click on it, I can go ahead and draw the rectangle at any place that I wish. Now, first, before I even change the color of the borderline, first I want to increase the thickness of this borderline. You can see it is too tiny. To increase it, just click on it and then head over to this tool called border weight. And you can increase it maybe 3 times or even 4 times. I'll make it 4 times. And now look at that thickness. However, I like this borderline to be a different color, different from black. To do that, just click on it and then head over to this border color. As you can see, it is currently set to black. If you click on it, you can change it to whichever color that you wish. Now, if I change it to that, look at that, the border color has changed. Now I can also change this from red to a different one. For instance, I can go ahead and choose this yellow, and that will have changed the line color. So that's how you can change the line color or border color of your shapes in Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.